prepared. Washington's nose is 20 feet long. Each eye is 11 feet wide. Millions of people visit Mount Rushmore every year. Borglum wanted Mount. Borglum wanted.